Y'all may not be able to see my fan. Okay. Alright, y'all see all my swatch sticks out here? You see some no white top coat here. And powders. So I'm going to be swatching these powders. Wow. I've not had a lot of powders. I only had like 2. And it was from this sensational brand from Walmart. So I've watched some videos on YouTube, and it can be really confusing because there's hollow powder, there's magic pearl powders, there's chrome powders, there's all kinds of different powders, y'all. Okay? And look, I didn't want to look like an ass in my YouTube video. Because it can be very confusing, okay? So I at least painted them all black. And I used this Wet n Wild gel polish, and it says no light needed. And then I put on my no white top coat on this one and cured it. And I wanted to just see, and this is what Miss Brandy sent me. And so I don't know what brand or anything is, but I wanted to swatch it along with the others. And I want to just make sure I'm doing the right procedure. I don't know if it's different for different things. So from what I understand, you don't need a whole lot of these products, okay? And it's kind of like a little dab will do you. But you want to make sure you get everything covered. So I'll pat it all on here. Everywhere. And then I'll go to buffing. And if I can learn to speed things up in the editing process, which I'll probably have to ask one of my nail sisters, then I'll speed it up. So, that's that beautiful rose gold. Now, I've got a couple more from Miss Brandy. And let me go ahead and top coat some of these and get them cured, and that way they'll be ready to go. And that's what I wanted to do, but I thought, well, I don't want to top coat everything if it's supposed to be a tacky layer, and then it not be tacky, and this and that, and one thing and another, you know. So it's tricky. It's tricky. And I just want to make sure that I'm doing the correct procedure. I've got a new set here and a new set over here to swatch that I had ordered. And they're from 2 different places. I think one is supposed to be a magic pearl powder set, and then the other is supposed to be chrome powder set. So, like I said, I don't know if that stuff is different. I'm going to go ahead and do a few of these up right quick, because I think with the no white top coat, it does not have to be tacky. And I had asked some of my nail sisters, but I guess they're busy. They hadn't responded. And I wanted to get this done and up before I leave for the doctor for my back procedure today. because I don't know how long I'm going to be down after I have this done, y'all. So I appreciate all of your thoughts and prayers and everything. I'm really, really nervous about having this done. I've had it done one time before, and it really hurt me. I was totally bedridden for about a week afterwards, and, well, I couldn't even get in the bed. I had to stay in the recliner. So that was, yeah, lots of fun. Loads of fun. Um, but this doctor seems to think that he can do it better than the other doctor that did it. So he wants to try. And I said, this will be the one and only time you will torture me. I will not be going through all of this over and over again. So the ones with the top coat and cured, I will put up here. And that way we'll know what's what. We'll have to get, I've got another one of these over there. I'm getting about to the bottom, I think. I like this Snow White top coat. Quite a lot. I like it a lot. And I really like my new setup. It's a lot more room. You see I've got my laptop over here. So I could record that way. I'm recording right now on my cell phone though. I've got KineMaster on both, to edit and all that. But I just, I'm really, really liking it. So that's great. Alright. So let's go with this one next. This one was from Miss Brandy also, and this is a hollow. Holla back at ya. So let's, while those are curing, well, oh man. Oh man. Y'all see this already? Do y'all see this? Look at this. And of course, I'll have to put the no wipe top coat on each after to keep it, But look at this. And I do know with like the hollow here, you don't have to do a lot to it, because you want it to have that rainbow look, that you want the hollow, so you don't want to do a lot to it. So I'm just going to buff lightly with my finger here. Look at how pretty that is, y'all. Man. Oh, I'm loving that. Definitely. That is awesome. Now, I don't know if this is just glitter or if this is some kind of powders too. So we're going to try it, y'all. I may mess up a swatch stick. I may, I'm not sure. So like I said, I haven't used a whole lot of powders and stuff, so I don't know what's what. So this may just be a glitter. And I think it is. Let me just see. Yeah, that's just a glitter. See, y'all? we're human. We all make mistakes. Let me put that over there. Now, these two, Miss Leslie from, that was Miss Brandy from BRC Nails. She gave me these two, the rose gold and the hollow, okay? And so Miss Leslie sent me, and I've got those videos, a friend mail. This is the gold, okay? And these came with Miss Leslie's bunch. So, you get this. Oh yeah, look at that. Wow. And then, if I can learn to stamp, that's got to be on my agenda, is trying to get the stamping plates. I know it's not the plates or it's me. I just don't know, how to do it real well, so I can't pick up the image right like it's supposed to. But there are some wonderful nail techs out there that are awesome at stamping, man, and they have some beautiful, beautiful sets, I'm telling you. And they can get those several images right on there, and they are just on the money, honey. Yes. Let me buff that with my finger out a little more, and look at that gold. How gorgeous. How gorgeous. Man. Thank you, ladies, so much. See, I learn something new all the time. And here's a pretty silver. I don't think this is hollow. It may be, though. I may be surprised, okay? Maybe some hollow, too. I think this is going to be more like the gold, and it'll be a mirror effect. And so, see, yeah, I just pat the product on, and as I said, little dab will do you, y'all, okay? And then go to buff. I don't know, I shouldn't be doing that over those other nails, because it's... But they don't have top coat or anything over them yet. I'll buff it with my finger. Look at that. Look at that mirror effect. Wow. You can see your reflection in that booger. Alright, so those are done. Let me go ahead and top coat a few more and get them in the oven to cook, baby. Okay, y'all. When I did this, it came out to be like an hour-long video. So I'm voice recording over this last part, and I'll stop my video, and I'm going to try to separate this into 3 different parts, okay? Granny loves you all. I need to get me one.